Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, at the moment, several Tigray sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered at this Zemen, and I have already informed you that if you remember in several videos that Tigray Defense Force want to take control of Addis Zaman and block A3 highway. After that, the Tigray Defense Force has two options, either to go to Gondar or to go to Behirdar, the capital of the Amhara region. But so far, no statement has been issued by the Tigray Defense Force about it. And it has been confirmed by many reliable sources that the Tigray Defense Force has entered at this Zaman and gained control over it, and places near Addis Zaman are also under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers are in Ibnath, Gavada, Sibakwa, and in Addis Zaman. Viewers, the Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers captured several Oromo Special Forces soldiers during the recent fighting, who are fighting against Tigray Defense Force on behalf of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. And some pictures about it have been shared by Tigray Defense Force, which you can see on your screen. Viewers, at this Zaman located on the A3 highway, and it is a very important place. And now most of the chances from the Tigray Defense Force are that the Tigray Defense Force will move towards the capital of the Amhara region, Behirdar, because Tigray Defense Force soldiers are already around Gondar and Dessie. And according to reports, fighting is also going on in the vicinity of Dessie between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, if the Tigray Defense Force moves towards the Behirdar, it is imperative that the Amhara forces and the Ethiopian army deploy their troops to the Behirdar from Gondar, Dessie, or from B22 highway. Viewers, if some of the Amhara forces and Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers come out of Dessie or Gondar, so these fronts will be much easier for the Tigray Defense Force. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers can easily gain control over Dessie or Gondar. And the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces do not have that many trained soldiers yet, because in the last few days some pictures have been shared by the Ethiopian army, in which civilians can be seen taking part in the Ethiopian army or Amhara forces to fight against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, it is certain that the new recruits have not yet received enough training to be sent to fight on the battlefield. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.